Where are you taking me?
To the Psychiatric Center for Research on Regressive Tendency.
Leonard Mead walks alone through a silent city. It is November 2053. The air is cold and very still. He wears sneakers to stay quiet. He does not want to disturb the many neighbors hiding inside their homes. Every window is dark and gray. People sit like the dead before flickering television screens in every single house. Leonard has walked for 10 years. He has never met another person out strolling during his nightly midwinter walks. The street is like a graveyard. Long shadows stretch across the cracked pavement under the pale, cold moonlight tonight. He whispers to the silent houses.
Hello, in there. What's up tonight on Channel 4, Channel 7, Channel 9?
Where are the cowboys rushing? And do I see the United States cavalry over the next hill to the rescue?
He asks what program is on the screen at 8:30 this evening. There is never any reply. Only the faint hum of many voices comes from the tomb-like buildings nearby him. Mead turns a corner. Suddenly, a fierce white light flashes. It blinds his eyes in the deep, dark night. A metallic voice commands him to stop. He stands perfectly still. It is a lone, robotic police patrol car.
Stand still. Stay where you are. Don't move. Put up your hands up, or we'll shoot.
The city has only one car now. Crime is non-existent because everyone stays inside to watch their television sets. The car asks for his name. It asks for his profession. Leonard says he is a writer by trade. The car records no profession. Writing is not considered a real job in this highly automated, mindless future society. The car asks why he is out. Mead says he is just walking for air and to see. To see what? The car asks. Mead replies that he simply wants to see the world around him now. The car does not understand. It orders him to get inside. The back seat feels like a small cell. They pass his house. It is the only one with all the lights shining brightly in the dark street.
Where are you taking me?
To the Psychiatric Center for Research on Regressive Tendency.
The car drives toward the psychiatric center. They will treat his regressive tendency for walking alone in the night. The streets remain empty. The car disappears into the silent, cold morning. Leonard Mead is gone from the world.